This video is only for educational purpose. If you did anything illegal, only you will be responsible for it. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how we can use OSINT tool for gathering Instagram accounts information and how can we download particular account photos. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's start today's tutorial. Firstly, you need to open a terminal. After that, open your Chrome browser. In the search bar, type OSINT Instagram GitHub and press enter. Now click on the third link. After that, from code, copy it. Now open the terminal and log in into the root. Then type cd desktop. Now type git clone and paste the link that you have copied earlier. Ctrl Shift V. After the cloning has been completed, you need to type cd osi.ig. Now to run this, you need to install some requirements. For that, you need to type pip install -r requirements.txt. It will automatically download all the requirements and install it. Now to run the tool, you need to type python 3 main.py -u. Now here you need to type the Instagram account's username. I am typing my Instagram page username. It will automatically give you all the details like what's the username, user ID, name, followers, following, images, videos, reels, bio, external URL, private account, verified account, profile image, business account, most used hashtags, most mentions. Now to download the profile image, you need to copy the URL and paste this URL in the Chrome browser. Now as you can see, the image has been shown and you can download it from here if you want. So that's all for today. Hope you liked it. If you want any other tools tutorial, you can comment down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Next video is coming tomorrow.